Ciao friends from all over the world. Chef Libero from Tuscany here. As you will heard, I am famous for teaching Trafalgar guests how to make a pasta. And I can't wait to teach you how to make it next year at my restaurant. In the meantime, you can get a taste of Tuscany with this simple but delicious tomato sauce that I am going to teach you how to make from home. Let's go! Now we start to prepare, but first I introduce Olga.
Hi.
And Simone. Hi. So we are here to prepare the tomato sauce. Very, very simple. Carrots, onions, celery, tomato, fresh tomato, and basil. Very simple ingredients. So you see Simon cut it all the ingredients to prepare the simple tomato. Remember one important thing on the hand we put on the tomato sauce, the basil. Basil never cut it with the knife, just with the finger. Try to cut everything. The most important, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. That's our production. Tomato is ready. I put again a little bit olive oil and a few basil. The spaghetti, they are ready. So, spaghetti. That's fantastic. Mamma mia! So delicious. Oh my God. A little bit again olive oil. One basil. And we are ready. Ciao. See you the next year. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.